Hello guys, it's me Ari from Ari Beckett's World. And today it's 2 a.m. Not 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and I'm bored out of my mind. And I'm gonna regret this in the morning, but I'm cutting up my dumpling. So it is a duplicate, so I do have another one. Bro, I just dropped whatever. Right, okay. I'm also using a thumbtack because I couldn't find any scissors in my room. So yeah. I do have a bowl. Bro. Like, this is how durable it is. Bro, it's sticking through it. It's not even popped yet. See, it's not even popped yet, bro. Yeah, I could low-key take the air out of this. Never mind, no, don't do that. Don't do that. It still pops it. Don't take the air out with the thumbtack. Where is that hole at? Okay, I found the hole. And I'm just gonna make the hole bigger. Because I'm smart. This is low-key harder with a thumbtack, bro. This is how you know you got the good one. When it can literally switch. Like, oh my god, bro. This is how you know. I just wanted to feel if it had shaving cream in it. Yo, yo. It's not even open. Oh, maybe it is. Hey, it's coming out. Is it shaving cream? Like, what is this? Bro. I'm gonna regret this tomorrow. But who cares? It's not even tomorrow yet, so let it come out. And this is because I hit, well, I'm bored, but like, I hit 16 subscribers, so not 16, but I hit 10 subscribers. That's why I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm done playing. Not even kidding with you. That sounds fun. Yo, ASMR. That is the worst ASMR ever. Bro, it won't even cut because like I don't have scissors. Like, I wish I could. You know what? I'm gonna go steal scissors. Be right back. So I didn't find the scissors, but I found a short knife. So yeah. I'm physically cutting it, you guys. This could be good, you guys. Yeah, I should just cut at the bottom. It's already. Nah. Bro, it's hard to do. Not. Oh my god. This is how you got the good kind, bro. I got this from always. Bro, I got the good one. Because why ain't this breaking? Oh my god, bro. Okay. I have it stabbed on the knife right now, even. It ain't even popping. Oh, I got it. This is a sharp knife. What pop? Oh my god, bro. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. Okay, finally it pops. Okay. I'm gonna make this go down. I didn't think of that before. So, now we got this knife. But oh my god. Oh my god. Bro. Watch me make this into some sort of slime or something. What even is this? Bro, what? They don't smell weird. So there's this thing going around. If they smell weird, then it's highly toxic, and I forgot to smell it before I did it. So if this was toxic, I would die. So yeah, great thing this ain't toxic. So if like you pop it or it smells weird, then it has toxic in it. By the way, so might want to check that. Yo. No, you know, there's like this is looking like fire now. My god. I gotta make this into slime. Like, what could I add to that? I'm thinking, like, I know how to make slime, like, dough. This is like shaving cream. But, like, I think I'm going to use... I don't know. Wait, ASMR. I don't know if you guys heard that, but that was satisfying. I should just like make a video with me just playing with this the whole time and just talking. Like a rant. I'm doing rants on TikTok. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but put on me more for my hands. Like to get towards. I just got on my thing. I just got on my computer. Oopsies. I'm not even joking how bad it is. I'm gonna have to clean this off my hands. And I won't have any more of it. No, I can't. No, I need to get this off my hands. But like keeping it, you know? I wish I had 4. I'm not even joking, I think that's my mom. Okay, no. She's not home yet, so. You guys, like, we don't need to talk about this. Okay? Okay, I really gotta get this off the best I can. Bro, I'm not even joking to you how bad this is. Loki. I'm just not thinking about this. My choices, you guys. I should have brought like stuff. I thought this was gonna be like shaving cream. I think it is. I don't know. This is toxic. It smells like dough. So I'm gonna say it's not toxic, but I'm gonna go get can't open the door. I'm gonna go get